Introducing the Advin Health Care Embolectomy Catheter, a precision-engineered device designed for the effective removal of thrombi and emboli from blood vessels during vascular interventions. It plays a vital role in restoring blood flow and reducing the risk of complications in emergency and planned procedures. Manufactured from high-quality medical-grade materials, the catheter features a smooth, atraumatic balloon designed to ensure secure clot engagement without causing vessel injury. The balloon provides controlled expansion, allowing clinicians to safely extract emboli while maintaining vessel integrity. The Advin Health Care Embolectomy Catheter offers excellent flexibility and pushability, enabling smooth navigation through complex vascular anatomy. Its kink-resistant shaft ensures consistent performance during advancement and withdrawal, providing enhanced procedural control and confidence. Clear length and size markings allow accurate positioning under fluoroscopic guidance, supporting precise placement and effective clot retrieval. The catheter is compatible with standard guide wires, making it suitable for a wide range of vascular procedures and clinical settings. Available in multiple sizes, the catheter accommodates varying vessel diameters and patient anatomies. Designed for single-use application, it ensures sterility and reduces the risk of cross-contamination between patients. Each Advin Health Care embolectomy catheter undergoes strict quality testing to meet international safety and performance standards. Trusted by healthcare professionals worldwide, it delivers reliability, precision, and dependable results in vascular embolectomy procedures. At Advin Health Care, we are committed to advancing interventional solutions that support better clinical outcomes and procedural efficiency. The embolectomy catheter reflects our dedication to innovation, safety, and clinician confidence.